Assalamualaikum friends. Today I got these new books and I will show you all of them. And you are asking how my English got very nice. I watch English content. I read lots of English books. So I want to show you some of my new books that my mom got me. Stories for 5 years old. And the story's name is The Puffin Book of Stories for 5 years old. This book has 17 exciting stories full of adventures and magic. So you must read this book, my friends. Second book is the enormous turnip that you can see here. It's from Ladybird Reads. Ladybird readers have very nice book collection, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. So you can get all of these books and they're so exciting to read. So the next story we got here is level 1. It's Topsy and Tim go to the zoo. So this story is about Topsy and Tim that they went to the zoo and they asked for their parents that can I have a penguin? They said no you can't. They really wanted a pet from the zoo, but then dad showed them that they have a own zoo at home. Snip and clip in and then I met the king of England. So this book is very exciting. I cannot tell you about this book because you have to read this and buy this and read this by yourself. Because this story is very fantasy story. Now our next storybook is I really love to read moral storybooks. So I always love to read moral storybooks. This storybook's name is The Caring Friends and Other Stories. So this has tons of stories for you to learn things and being friends. And I really like how this story is made about sharing, caring, and broken promises. So in this book, in the end of the story, there's also a question kind of thingy where you have to read that what you have learned from this book. So now it comes the time to see my most favorite book, and I really love these two girls, and the storybook's name is You're My Best Friend. So I really love how these two girls are made it. They're cute and they're really like, it's almost like they're not best friends. It's almost like that they're sisters, but they are best friends. So this is very cute book and like colorful pages. It's almost like a igloo book. So these colors of the storybooks are so bright and there's nothing gray in the storybooks, and I really love the cute little pictures in here. It's so adorable. So now I have the book about old time that when it was past and we were not born. So this story's name is Good Night Stories from the Holy Quran. So in here we can learn about some of our prophets that were in the past, and we would know about tons of prophets and we would learn about their stories, our beloved prophets. And there's tons of prophet stories in here. There is Prophet Yusuf al-Islam that I read it, Prophet Yunus al-Islam, Prophet Yahya al-Islam that we love the most. So now these all books are done and these are my total favorite books. I gifted you the review of fun and exciting things. So now until keep loving me, keep sharing your lovely comments. I really love you. I really love your then, I will see you in my next exciting video that will come soon on you. So until then, bye bye.